Taking effective notes is an important skill to learn. As you take various classes at the university, you may realize that different note-taking methods are more or less helpful depending on the course content. Your personal preferences also play a part in finding the best note-taking style for you. In this video, we feature 5 note-taking styles to consider using. The outline method is a frequently used note-taking style. It is effective when you want to show relationships between course information and for STEM classes. You can use numbers, letters, or even bullet points to organize the various levels within your notes. This style is also helpful to use when taking notes while reading. Start by writing the main topic at the top of the page. Then, add your first key point on the far left-hand side of the page. Put additional content related to that first point underneath, indenting to the right slightly to indicate the relationship between concepts. Repeat this process for all main topics in your course lecture or reading. This note-taking style can be incredibly effective but may be challenging to use during fast-paced lectures. If you need to take notes to work on memorization of data, you may want to consider the charting method. To use the charting method, create a grid with the key information you need to recall, making sure to clearly label each column. Then, as you listen to your lecture or read course material, write down quick cues summarizing the information. You can also easily use the chart as a study tool by covering up columns and practicing recalling information. Concept mapping is an excellent way to visualize the interconnectedness of various ideas. Begin by writing the main topic in the center of the page. From there, add subtopics that are related to the topic and draw a line connecting related materials. Details on subtopics can be added and connected in the same way. This form of note-taking is an excellent way to stay engaged in class as it requires you to immediately identify and group similar information together. The Cornell method is perhaps the most complicated note-taking system to learn, but once you get the hang of it, these notes can also easily be used as a study guide. Begin by splitting your paper into 3 various sections. You should have a margin on the left-hand side for key ideas, a larger section in the middle for additional notes, and a lower section for your summary or questions. As you read or listen carefully to your lecture, write down key ideas in the left-hand side of the page. On the right-hand side of the page, you can capture additional details. The bottom section should be reserved for writing a quick summary of the information above. This can also be an excellent area to write down questions you have about the course content. You can use these notes as a study guide by covering the right or left side of the paper and quizzing yourself on the material. Taking notes in sentence form is one of the easiest note-taking methods. Write the topic at the top of the paper. Then, listen for important words and content during the lecture and write down notes related to key information one sentence at a time. Each new thought gets a new sentence. While this method is quick and easy to learn, it can be challenging to identify the most important pieces of information for later studying. Remember, there is no right or wrong note-taking method. Try out a few different forms to see which works best for you. For more information, please follow us on social media at UMN Success and visit task.umn.edu and success.umn.edu for many more academic support resources.